Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To make this New York City apartment, I'm using these packaging boxes. I'm just going to remove the lid and glue 3 of them together to make the first floor. Cover more cardboard and contact paper that looks like wood and use it to cover the boxes. I've decided to build a little platform to separate the kitchen from the living room. Now use big cardboard sheets to build the outside walls of the dollhouse and glue everything together. I'm using recycled cardboard that was used to deliver furniture. I just unfolded the boxes to get these big pieces. As you can see, I covered some parts of the wall with white paper. It looks a bit untidy right now, but that will improve once I attach these foam board pieces covered in contact paper from a previous video to support the walls. Nevertheless, I probably should have done that later on, not just because it would have been less messy, but also because I ended up wasting quite a lot of paper. Wrap a piece of cardboard in white paper to create a wall that supports the second floor, and I'm going to put another supporting wall on this side. Now use a nice picture of New York City, foam board and clear plastic to make a window. I'm using foam board for the second floor, and here you can see me making a pillar for that one unsupported corner. Don't forget to leave an opening where you want the staircase to be. Now use paperboard and cardboard wrapped in contact paper, wallpaper or whatever you want to use to make the walls and flooring. As you can see, I created a second window upstairs. Simply repeat the steps that you used to make the other one without making the window bench. Use more foam board strips to make skirting boards and cover the edges. Now cover black foam board in contact paper and cut it into small pieces that are about 10 cm long and 3 cm wide to make floating stairs. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. For now, I furnished the apartment with furniture from previous videos like the pull-out couch, the kitchen and the walk-in wardrobe. Of course, you can find all of the links to those items in the info box in case you want to know how I made them. But I will probably make another video for the bedroom and the living room for that apartment, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to see that. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!